Hello guys, how are you? Hoping you will be fine and fantastic in your life. Guys, today I am just on, you just see, I am just in on Marine Drive on bridge. So today I just talking a very crucial and important topic, and that is what is the difference between a private school and government school. There are many difference if I just talking about the private school and government school. If I just talking about the facilities the provided by these types of school. So first, what is the importance, what is the facilities of a private school? First of all, I describe on this. So in private school, you have to see the very important thing, and that is the first priority is just given in private school, and that is discipline. Because in private school there are many levels of private school, like normal, like merit, like higher level. It depends in which school you will be able to admission your children, because there are many differences in private school. Many schools fees is very normal, and some school fees is very moderate, and some of them school the fees of that is very higher. So it depends only your salary, it's depend only your expenditure, your income. So guys, the facilities of private school is no doubt is better than government school, because in private school all teachers is just teaching your children with very carefully, with very careness, and also many sports kits also provide for your children, because that's a school you have to just pay your children a good money of amount. So if the not provided a good education for your children in that school, so you have to go in the school and lodge a complaint regarding this. And also the school management is just likely to find out this problem. But except these many all facilities, like in private school all the management like doing on time, all the management, all the work, all the activity doing very carefully, and all teachers and ma'am just behave with very carefully, and with behave with very grateful. So these are the some facilities to provided in private school. And in another way, if I just talking about the government school, so yeah, in government schools first of all you have to not pay the fees of your children, because in this school you only go to a school and just likely to do admission for your children in this school. And I am not talking about to all government school, I am just talking about some government school, because in India many government schools is likely provide many facilities is better than a private school. So if I just talking about government school, so it's not for all government school. I'm just talking about some government school, because I am just studying in government school. Because in government school, in spite of available many sport kits, in spite of available many things, but due to a school management, these are not provided to the children, and children development is now going to stop, because the kids and all thing which is just required for the children is not provided the proper way, in proper way. So why the children is just developing to himself? Why? So in spite of many availability, in spite of many things, and just provided by government to government school, but the government management, the principal and the many other teachers is just likely to enjoy and not provide the children. And also they do not wants to willingly, voluntarily to teaching to all their students. These are the problems. If the all teachers, government teachers, is just doing their duty with very honesty, then don't no required any private school in India. There are no required any private school in India, because if all teachers is just providing and doing with 100% for to their children in government school. So I think but it's not required. If you just want to willingly to try to just to study your children in government school, but government school teacher, principal is not providing for your student good education, then you go to school and then you complain, why you are not study, why you are not teaching to my children, to my child, to my yeah. So you just go, because it's your right, because it's your constitutional right. Why? Because the right of education is your fundamental right, according to 86th amendment in 2002. The government provide and just add in fundamental right in 2002. So why you not willing to go in a school, and why to not complain to teacher? Because if you are a parents, and if you not going for your if you not going in a school for your children, then you have to doing a very wrong with you. Why you just giving and expanding more for your children in private school? It's not required. You just admission in a government school, and just to try to focus and pressure on the government teachers. Because if as a parents, if you just go in a school and just try to and just pressurize to the teachers, then teachers automatically just to teaching your students. So yeah, okay, it's very required. If you just doing these types of activity, if you just doing these types of responsibility, of course the government school is just providing a good education for your children. So okay guys, I just concluded my conversation this moment, and I again see you in next video. So bye all, and I see you in next video. Okay, thank you all.